Hello everyone, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today, we're doing crispy fried batter topping. So after you've got done frying your foods or coating whatever it is you wish in batter, if you want to make a little bit of topping so that you can put it on top of rice or just little crackling bits to snack on, take a little bit of the batter, small bits at a time because it will be hot, and it will put off a good bit of steam if you do too much. But if you pour it slowly, then this is how you will get the little crunchy topping bits. Incidentally, this is also how certain bagged snacks get made. I'm not going to say the name in case they don't want to know their secret, but if you pour batter into hot oil, this is what you get. And little by little, it'll turn into a nice crunchy fried topping. You could coat onions with that batter, you could just drop it in, and then when you pull it out, you could season it as well. So do-it-yourself gourmet, folks. This is a quick, fun one. When you got that leftover batter and some frying oil, and you don't want it to go to waste, well, drop it right in, little by little in a small stream, or, you know, if you're feeling adventurous, you could enlarge it as well. Depends on your experience and your comfort with it. But this is how you make that. Crunchy fried toppings, pull them right out, preferably with something that'll help scoop or sieve it. And there we go. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. We'll see you next time.